guys, today we're going to show you how to apply leather conditioner to your Horween leather to keep it looking and feeling good. The main purpose of our leather conditioner is to rejuvenate aged and worn in leather, as well as regular polishing and cleaning of that leather. So let's get started. What you're going to need is your leather conditioner, a clean cloth, and clean hands. We only need a small amount. A little goes a long way, and using too much leather conditioner might darken it a little bit. So keep that in mind. We're gonna add the leather conditioner to our cloth and use just a drop. Once we have it on our cloth, we're gonna spread it evenly across the whole surface of our leather product. Get every corner and every nook. Leave no space untouched. And once it's spread out evenly, that looks good to me. We're just gonna buff it out using circular motions. What this is doing is allowing the leather to absorb the conditioner and really soften it up. It's really like wax in a car. If there's any darker areas on your phone, that's from the oils of your hands getting into the leather. So for those darker areas, just give it a little bit more loving with the scrubbing. So once it's rubbed in, take another part of your cloth and do a quick wipe down. And this just gets rid of any excess conditioner left on your leather. And wow. You can really tell the difference right off the bat. Look at that. The true luster of the phone is back. Smells good too. Keep in mind that this isn't something that you have to do every day or every week. Every few months is okay, and it really depends on how much wear and tear you put your leather product through. So we hope that this video helped. If it did, leave a comment below on what products you'll be using your leather conditioner with. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for all things Nomad. Thanks, guys.